Hi all, welcome to Sara's kitchen. Today we're gonna make a vegetarian dish, button mushroom ghee roast. It's a finger-licking good and delightful dish which I'm dedicating to all the non-meat eaters. Now let's start. Heat a pan on a medium flame, add some oil, add in some mustard seeds and fennel seeds. Now add some ground dried chilies and fry them well. Add in sliced onions, saute them well until browned, and now add some curry leaves. Now it's time to add some curry powder, some paprika powder, garam masala, a teaspoon of pepper powder. You have to stir them well so that the raw smell of the powder will go off before adding some water. Adding on some water and mix them well. Make sure you're adding up enough water to make the gravy thicker. Adding up some cashew nut paste. Add on salt to taste. Now the perfect touch is adding on some pure ghee. Finally, I'm adding on the button mushrooms, or any kind of fresh mushrooms can be used as well. Cook them well until you can see the oil coming out from the gravy. It's always good to let the oil separate from the gravy because of two things. Extra water dries up and all spices and curry get cooked properly. And it gives you an amazing taste. To give a crunchy effect, I'm just adding up some ghee roasted cashew nuts. It's perfectly cooked and looks great now, so what are you waiting for? Just try it out and let me know your feedback.